Students, now the further explanations from page number 28. I am explaining you. Hope you will. Today I am not telling you the meanings. First, now further explanation. Yuri didn't think the idea was success because it was merely like for a doctor to advise something like that. Albert still wanted to give it a try and find a doctor that specialized in a nerves. Yuri offered to ask one of his friends about such a doctor. Albert expressed his gratitude. Yuri told him not to have his hope high but little. Albert was all hopeful and positive about finding a suitable doctor that will be willing to help him. He even went to the extent of offering to showcase an actual breakdown to make it seem more real. He was full of hope and Yuri had never seen him feeling like that. Albert told him not to worry about that because a day of two at a school would restore him back to his troubled state. Now, from certainly till Albert. Albert was right, and when Yuri saw him the next time, he actually seemed troubled. By this time, Albert had given up and he actually was expecting a nervous breakdown if it continued like this. This would have surely made the doctor's work easier. Yuri conveyed to him that he has found just the doctor for him and he has an appointment the next evening. While giving him the address, Albert read the doctor's name, which is Dr. Ernest Whale, and asked Yuri if he specialized in nerves. From not exactly till liar. Yuri told him that he was not exactly a neurospecialist and that he qualified as a doctor only last week, and that Albert could even be his first patient. Yuri mentioned that Yuri asked him to be honest and not pretend to have nervous issue. He immediately mentioned that it was not possible because Albert is the world's most liar. Now, next page number. He spent the next day thinking about all he was going to say to the doctor. He thought so much that he feared he would actually got a nervous breakdown. Now from I don't really till that. Albert went to see the doctor and told him that he really does not have the right choice of words to describe his miserable situation. The friendly doctor confirmed him and told him that Yuri had already done it for him. It turned out that Yuri had told Dr. Whale the entire truth and how Albert wanted the doctor to think. He had a nervous breakdown because of school. Albert expressed his displeasure with Dr. Whale, knowing the entire truth, because he felt that doctor would not help him now. As a result, he would have to go back to the school again. The friendly doctor comforted him by saying that his situation was well understood even when he had not told anything about it. Albert was surprised with the doctor's reply and asked him how he got to know all about Albert. Now, because still doubtful, the doctor very professionally replies that if Albert weren't really close to a nervous breakdown, he would be really seeing him. He then inquired about Albert's plans once he get out of the school. Albert tells him that his plans on going to live with his parents in Italy, where he would join an Italian college. The doctor expresses his lack of clarity on the subject of admissions in the college without a school diploma. Albert assured him that his mathematics teacher would provide him with a reference good enough to get him in. Albert claimed to have learned all about mathematics that is taught in the school and some more of it as well. Now from well-fed supper. The doctor is still not convinced if the college idea would succeed, but he is definitely convinced about the fact that Albert going to school is not doing anyone much good. Thus he confirms if at a 6 months away from school period would be enough to put his plans in a place. Dr. Wells tells him that he understands the situation so well because he had just stopped being a student. He even refused to take his fee and asked him to take Yuri for a meal. Filled with a joy, Albert took Yuri out for supper even though he had no extra money. Isn't wonderful? Till rendered him. On seeing the certificate, Yuri assured him that 6 months is a good time period because just in case things go wrong, Albert could come back to finish his school diploma. Albert reassures Yuri that this is not going to happen because he is never going back to that place or school. He conveyed his idea of taking the certificate to the head of the school the next day, while Yuri remained him to get the reference letter first from the mathematics teacher. Now, from Mr. Coach till mathematics. Mr. Coach, the mathematics teacher, gave Albert a nice riffle. He even went to the extent of saying that Albert would soon be ready to teach him, which Albert thought was saying too much. Probably out of respect for his teachers, Mr. Cooch then put it in a different words but furnished the reference in a way to make it smooth for Albert to enter any college to pursue education in higher mathematics. I am sorry till thought. The teacher expressed his displeasure about Albert leaving, but again he knew Albert was wasting his time there. Albert instantly corrected him by saying that Mr. Coach's class was the only class where he was not wasting his time. Albert did not tell him anything about learning, but Mr. Coach could identify it long before. Albert realized himself and also because of the riffle. To his surprise, Albert was called into the headroom, although he was not aware of the reason, and he was himself going to make an appointment, but he was happy that it saved him the trouble of waiting for 1 or 2 hours to meet him. Now, he till punishment. Albert did not put much thought into why he was called into the office, but somehow he knew it was to punish him for his poor performance and lack of interest. But now he was done with all of it. Now I am going till expel. Expel means officially make someone to leave school or any other organization. To the uttermost surprise, Einstein was told that he was not going to be punished this time. The headmaster expressed that he is done with all his laziness and wishes to no longer have him there. Albert's first thought was if he was being expelled. Now, from the next chapter, that is, you till said. The head of the school was pretty serious and suggested that he left the school on his own instead of being expelled because it would be easier for both the parties. Albert still didn't understand what crime he had committed. The head teacher explained how his presence is creating trouble for teachers to give lessons to the other students and how no work can be done when he is around while staying there. Albert felt the certificate was burning in a hole in a pocket, which means that the money he had spent on extracting the certificate, which was paid in terms of a meal with a Yuri, had gone waste as the certificate was rendered useless. He was anyway being taken away from the school regardless. Albert expressed that he was anyway going to leave, to which the teacher replied that at least for the first time they are agreeing on something. Now for a moment Till ignored him. At this moment, Albert was being driven by his desire to tell the head teacher the truth and what he thought of the school, but somehow he managed to resist because at last his wish was fulfilled. He walked straight out of the school while ignoring the head teacher instructions with his head high. Next, he walked till happier there. He did not even look back at the place where he had spent the most terrible years of his life. He had no real friends or close acquaintance relatives who he could be bade adieu to, means say farewell. He met Yuri before leaving, who wished him well and hoped he would be happy in the country. He was going to Elsa was also back in Berlin with her family. Thus, there is no one else he could say goodbye to. Thank you, students.